Ndingubo. I'm from Durban, KwaZulu-Natal in South Africa. I am a member of Triple M. I joined Triple M last year. I provide help of 10,000. Then after 3 months, I request to get help of 20,000. The money was in my bank within 24 hours. And I was amazing of that. Let me tell some story. In 2012, I put 20,000 on my bank. Then after 3 years from that, I get back to the bank. The money was only profited 800 rand. Triple M is a very pleasant program. I go out to tell friends, colleagues, family to join Triple M. Triple M forward, backwards, never. Phambili, Triple M phambili. Sky is the limit. Thank you, everyone.